Alright, so at this point what I'm trying to do is gauge what am I going to be, what am I going to do. Notice that the different color on the deck and the hull appears to be from a previous repair. That dark stuff seems to be like thickened epoxy, and the white stuff there in my hands seems to be like a 4200 type product, of which there was plenty of that. Hello, Carola. So anyway, I'm trying to pry open and trying to probe, and looking from the inside a little bit, trying to find out what am I going to encounter. So I figured let me stick my GoPro camera in there in one of the access ports and see what's in there, and take a look at the other side. Now this part right here, this was the scariest part ever. When you put a carbide blade to your jigsaw and start cutting into your boat, yeah, not for the faint of heart. At any rate, had to be done. So there's more white stuff in there. Trying to get to what the line that I marked down, the red one. And then what I was noticing was that I was hitting the hull. Gotta change the music, right? Gotta have. So what I figured was, well, let me change the angle of the base on the jigsaw, so that I can don't hit the hull. Like, so there I am changing the angle, which allowed me to cut without hitting the hull. Now, in that area right there, what you see is the lamination of the previous repair. It seems, based on what I have researched, that happens when the glass is starved from epoxy, or the area was not properly cleaned, or numerous things. So at any rate, it can be, as you saw there, I can lift it real easy. There I bought that grinder and I was doing a dry run, trying to grind everything, and there was more white stuff in there, 4200, and dust everywhere. You see that straight line? Well, I had to, there's the lamination there a little bit better. And I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure or anything. I mean, it's just flaking off rather easily. Get yourself a good mask. There's dust everywhere. Open ventilated area. So that cut, I have to make a little bit of a bow so that I can get better access with the grinder and I can see what I was doing. I get a little headlamp that I was using in grinding everything off, the previous repair. I will clean that up, try to get as much dust off of it as I can, and once I get ready to lay some glass, I'm gonna have to, oh, check this out. So this is the part that I cut, and I notice, I'm looking at that piece, and I'm noticing that one of the previous owner had moved the shroud to the outside edge. That was the same thing that broke off.